Hi guys, hot air gun is most frequently used in phone repair. Both solder and desolder require a hot air gun. Today we will talk you through the ATTEN 2008 hot air gun. And at first, let's check its accessories. Now let's install the stand. Install the power cord. The anti-hot air gun. Its input has reached 230. Its maximum power reached 800. Besides, it gets CE certification, so please trust to buy it. Turn on the switch. Here is the 3 temperature group. You can set up or down the temperature here. You can adjust the air volume through the knob. In this video, we have shown you all the features and how to use the ATTEN 2008 workstation. You can buy all the accessories and microscope in the video. Subscribe our channel and see you next time.